Good morning, I'm Alex Robertson, Operations Section Chief for Portland NEMO, and it's your June 27th fire operations briefing for the 416 fire. We'll start up north and work down the 550 corridor. As previously reported, still some work, some cleanup work going on, materials shipping, getting mastication, some chipping, some just loading up some stuff that was left over from our line construction, mechanical stuff. We're still doing that and cleaning up that area. Moving down the 550 corridor, a lot of still looking around behind the homes for debris, chipped material, slash piles, stuff like that, and have folks out there today continuing to do that work, especially along the railroad tracks down here. Be an operation today of getting to some brush that was cut in the right of way and working to get that cleaned up. As we work down to the south into branch 1, the division Gulf, Fox, and Echo, they're still continuing to clean up those lines, paying attention to our plan and making sure we understand our plan and the hose lays and everything down there when and if we ever have to implement that contingency line as holding features for southern movement of the fire to protect the values at risk. Big operations yesterday and today is again in here in this division hotel, the Clear Creek area. Yesterday, as I mentioned, we started a firing operation. That operation started up here in the Clear Creek area and right on the wilderness border, and went really well. We had a really good day up there. Obviously, we produced some smoke, but the crews and the folks worked up there implemented a really good plan, and things went really well into yesterday evening when we lost our burn window and things settled down for the night. Plan for today is to continue that operation. We're going to move folks down here to the hand line that is up above Buck Creek, and we're going to start firing that. That's our southern control line to protect the values at risk down here. We have good weather conditions with the southwest wind today, and so we'll be firing that line and then using the helicopter, the PSD machine, to fill in the fire side between our hand line and the 171 road and the firing that we tied into the 171 road yesterday. So we anticipate that operation going very good. We're going to use our aviation assets to accomplish that today. Lastly, I'll talk a little bit about Deer Creek up here. Yesterday, late in the afternoon, fire kind of started to organize in Deer Creek, made a run. We unfortunately didn't get our IR flight last night, so we don't exactly know how many acres burned up there, but we do know that it was very short-lived. If you saw the column, it kind of popped a big column and then it fell down really quickly. So it got into something that it liked. The fire did. It burned intensely for a little while and then it settled right back down. So we'll be looking at that from the air today and paying attention to that. Again, don't anticipate it moving a whole lot in there as it gets up higher in elevation, and we'll pay very close attention to that from the air to ensure that we're not fire's not doing anything we don't want it to do or moving towards any high values at risk. That's about it for the operation today. Hope everybody has a good day, and just know that you'll see some more smoke today, and we're working really hard to get this southern portion locked in. Thanks.